y'all. Today we're going to do a new recipe. It's called No Peak Chicken and Rice Casserole. It's supposed to be really simple. And so let's go ahead and get started. You are going to need a box of yellow rice. I tried to find the one that the recipe called for, but I couldn't. So I just went ahead and got this one. This is one I've used before, so I figured it'll be okay. It does need to be yellow rice. That is what the recipe calls for. Okay, so in a 9x13 baking dish, we are going to spray it with some nonstick spray. Let's do that real quick. Make sure your oven's preheated to 350, by the way. And let me get a smaller. Okay. You need to, in this baking dish, you are going to whisk together the yellow rice, the cream of mushroom soup, a can of cream and celery soup, and 2 cups of water. So let's go ahead and get the soup in here. That was celery soup. Okay, there's the mushroom. Okay, and we need 2 cups of water. Let me get that. Water. Alright, I'm going to whisk that first real quick and then we'll add the rice to it. Now, this pack of rice in particular is a 10 ounce and the recipe calls for a 6.9 ounce. So I'm hoping it'll still be fine. I'm doing the best I can, y'all. Could not find what they were talking about. Could not find even anything in that size. Our Walmart store is actually getting to where they hardly carry anything, to be honest. Anyway, let's move on. Alright, now, so in here, in your baking dish, you got your yellow rice. You have your soups, cream of mushroom, cream of celery, and you have your water. You're supposed to take chicken tenderloins, 1.5 pounds, and lay over top of this. Didn't have that either. So what you can do is you can take a couple of chicken breasts, depending on the size, and cut your own, because that's basically all they are, little pieces of chicken breast. So that's what I did. My chicken breasts were rather large, so I took one big one and half of another, and I'm hoping it'll be just about the right amount. Maybe it may be a little bit too much actually, but whoop, I'm trying to get close. Alright, now get all the chicken pieces and put in here. Let me wash my hands. Okay. Now put a little bit of Lawry seasoned salt and a little bit of pepper over the top of this. I'm just going to do it to my taste and liking. And a generous amount of pepper. So this is basically a chicken rice casserole. It's a little bit fancier than what I typically do. Alright, so after you do that, you need to cover tightly with foil. And put it in the oven. You want to make it for 50 minutes and you are not to peek at it at all. So y'all, this is going to be like, I don't like not being able to peek. So I'm going to try to obey the rules and not do that. When we take it out, we are going to sprinkle it with some cheddar and bake it for an additional 15 minutes, and then it'll be all done. See you back here in 50 minutes. Okay, everybody, it's done. And the rice cooked all the way. So it took 50 minutes. I never touched it until right, if you can see right here where I took it out of the oven, to kind of see if it was done. And so your final thing would be to add about a cup of cheddar to the top. And I shredded just a little bit too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it all on there. And then put it back into the oven and just do it long enough for it to melt. Recipe says 15 minutes. I'm not sure it'll take that long if you got a hot oven. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time.